Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw ChubbyEmu, a ChubbyEmu, in honor of one of my favorite YouTubers, ChubbyEmu. That is more of a medical YouTube channel. Go check it out. Really, really amazing information, and one of the most amazing medical channels I've ever seen. And it talks about these cool cases, case studies on different medical stuff. It's a little bit different, but it has a cute icon, and I'm going to do it in a little bit, kind of change it up though. Pretty much just do one in his honor. So that is pretty much it. Let's get started. It's going to be simple, easy, still for beginners. Right here I'm going to use a Crayola brand marker, and you can use anything you want. The other thing is you can just sit down, grab a soda, hang out. You don't really have to draw. You can just watch it, watch it on TV or watch it on your computer. And let's get started. It's going to be cute though. I'm going to try to make it really cute. I'm going to draw a curve right here for the back of the emu. I'm gonna keep it. Right there. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Love animals, by the way. I want to do every animal that exists. His eye. We're gonna draw that cute little like hee hee eye, hee hee, oh wow. So in honor of ChubbyEmu being a medical site, medical YouTuber, completely different than this channel, so I'm sure nobody's seen it. But if you see it, ChubbyEmu, say hi to me in the comments. I love you. You're awesome. I love your channel. Amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a little stethoscope at the top of his head. So I'm gonna draw in honor of the medical background. Line across here, and I'm going to draw a circular disc. Front. let's go to the legs. The legs right here. Hopefully you're doing good. Hopefully you're chilling out with that soda on the couch there, just chilling out, watching. I dig it. I dig it. Yeah, now it's relaxing, right? Chilling out. I think the outline's pretty thick on his head so far. Honestly, it might be thick enough already over here on a lot of it. So I'm only gonna do some of it. And that's mostly it. That is it. Thank you so much. I will link, I'll probably link the channel I'm talking about, the ChubbyEmu. It's, again, medical site. Really cool, really fun. I know it's not the same audience, but I'm just drawing some of my favorite stuff. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.